Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do basic 7 mission. So let's get started. So in the previous videos, we have completed all our uh, previous basics till basic 6 missions. Now it's time for basic 7. Let's go in. So here we have the not the difficult one. This time, network security Sam has saved an encrypted level 7 password in an obscurely named file saved in this very directory. In other unrelated news, Sam has set up a script that returns the output from the Unix cal command. Here is the script. So the uh, level 7 says that Sam has hidden the file of password in the folder of this website. So we have to search the folder, and again there is a folder, so it is a unencrypted level 7. So here we have a security. So here we have our Unix cal command. So the system says that enter the year, so we will type, let's say 2002, and then view. So it will display the, I think, calendar. This is the calendar 2002. So now let's see. So we have to just clear this and to see the folders. So in Unix cal command, we will type semicolon and ls. Ls will list all the folders and files. So let's semicolon to end and ls. Let's say view. So here we have our, this is current, so I'm making this video on October. So here we have index.php, this is the folder, level7.php, cal.pl, and this is, so the password might be in this folder. So let's go first on this. I won't think that this contains passwords. So let's copy here and move to this folder. So we are in cal.pl file, so it is not, let's remove this thing and then paste over here, and then type enter. You will see the password of, just copy the whole thing simply and then go back and just paste the password over here and then submit. So congratulations, you have successfully completed basic 7 mission. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please give thumbs up. So if you want to see the series of this website hacking tutorial, so stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ahmad signing off.